All right, here at the Money Pit, we sometimes try to determine the source of mystery noises. Diane, in California, what are you hearing?
Hi, there's a hum that's coming from inside my bathroom, and underneath the bathroom is where the water heater and the furnace and then the septic system pump and all that is. So at first I thought it was that, but I shut the electricity off on the house, and it's not that.
Hey, it's really bothering you.
Well, it's a very loud hum, and so I went out to the street and shut the water main off, and the hum went away. And so my question is, have you ever heard of water leak from the tank of the toilet or some sort of place where maybe there's a leak or something in there causing a hum in the pipes?
Well, a couple of things. First of all, copper pipes do a really good job of transmitting sounds. But typically what causes this is if you have a bad valve somewhere. Now, it could be the fill valve in the toilet. It could be the main water valve of the house. It could be another valve somewhere that's not fully open or fully closed. And so when the water runs through, it's causing like a turbulence that causes a vibration that transmits down the pipe, causing the sound that you hear.
Mm-hmm.
And so what I would try to do is identify by turning off different valves. Like, for example, if you turn off the toilet, does it still happen? Kind of isolate it that way and figure out exactly what's causing the problem. And lastly, when you're in that crawl space, I would also check the pipes to make sure they're securely attached to the framing, because if you have loose brackets, sometimes the brackets
Some sort of vibration?
Yeah, the vibration gets a lot worse.
Okay. Well, that's helpful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Diane. Thanks so much for calling us at 888-MONEY-PIT.